After opening new Canva project, let's go to elements and type grunge. Let's go to filters and let's choose the red color. Photos, choose any style you want. Let's use this one. Let's rotate it 90 degrees, increase the size to cover all the page, place it like this. Go to elements again and type black gradient. Let's remove this filter, click clear all, go to graphics, let's choose this one, go to flip and click flip vertical and place it down. Let's add new page, change the background color to black and go to text, type your text. Let's change the font to rustic printed stamp, increase the size. Let's place it in the middle, duplicate. Let's type another word. Let's adjust the size of the text and select both of them and rotate 90 degrees. Let's increase a little bit the size and download. Go to share, download as PNG with transparent background. Let's increase a little bit the size and choose just the second page. Go back to the first page and go to apps and type transform image. Choose this app and choose the image that we just make. Drag the text from the bottom like this. Click add to design. Let's increase a little bit the size, place it like this. Let's go to elements and let's use a image of a burger. Photos, let's use this one. Decrease the size, place it here. Go to elements again and type drop shadow graphics. Let's use this one. Decrease the size, place it here. Go to layer and click send backward. Go to elements again and type light. Scroll down. Let's use this yellow light. Increase the size. Go to layer again and send backward. And here's the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.